हाय स्पार्टन्स गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? That's lovely. Guys, today we are going to be the witness of some beautiful presentations. Means PPT, PowerPoint presentations. Some of our students have come up with some better, different, unique topics and lot more R&D. They have done R&D and they want to explain it right there in front of you all. So I want you to pay attention and listen to one of us very carefully. So first I would like to call one and only Pinky. Let's have a big hand of Pinky, guys.
I'm going to tell you a very serious problem in a country, that is unemployment. I'm going to show you some causes of unemployment, effectiveness of it, and the solution of it. So let's begin it. Unemployment is in India. The question is that what is unemployment? Unemployment basically when people are able to work, and when people are willing to work, but they are not able to find a job, and they are not able to find job for themselves. That is called unemployment. Now, why it is serious issue in India? That's because unemployment creates the poverty, and it also creates the slowdown in country's growth. Well, now the next thing is the type of unemployment. As we have been seeing that unemployment has been a very serious issue, so we should know that what are the types of unemployment. First is disguised unemployment. What is disguised unemployment? When the work is only made for some of the people, but there are extra members in it. So that is called the disguised unemployment. Then the next is seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment is when person is unemployed in season. That is called seasonal unemployment. Then the next is structural unemployment. It is because of mismatch of skills. When we are skills, but the job is not that much but the job is not matching with our skills, that is called structural unemployment. Then frictional unemployment. Now what is it? When we have quit a job and we are on a journey of finding a new job, that is called frictional unemployment. It is only for some period and some month. Then the next one is educational unemployment. Educational unemployment is when we are graduated but we don't have job. That is educational unemployment. Now the next is causes of unemployment. Now what are if we are unemployed, then there might be a causes. That is high population growth. As we know that in our country that our country is one of the most populated country in the world. So we have been facing unemployment, and that one of the reason of it, that is high population growth. Then the next one is that our India's literacy rate is around 78 to 79%, and just because of that we are facing lack of education and skills. Now the next one is slow growth in industries. Well, we all need jobs, and country should create job, but they are but the countries industries development is in slow. Now the next one is we people are more dependent on agriculture, and we haven't noticed that there are lots of sector where we can focus. So that's why over dependence on agriculture is one of the cause of unemployment. Now the next one is automation and technology. Well, we have been we know that we are moving in a technological world where it can also create the unemployment. Now that as we have been facing unemployment issues, so there might be effects. There is the effects of it. Well, the first effect, that poverty and poor living standard. As we all are in the most populated country where we are facing that issue, that poverty and poor living standard. Then the next one is increases in crime and social unrest. And the next that effect can be that migration from villages to cities. We have been going, if the job, see, if we are not able to find a job in a particular state or particular city, so we are moving forward. As like that birds migrates for their food, so we are doing like this. So that is migration from villages to city. Now, now the mental stress and depression, because of unemployment we have been facing that so many people are in depression, so many people are in stress. Next, okay, next is that statistics. What is the statistics of it? As I'm showing the statistics as of the 2024 and 2024 to 2025. Now the unemployment rate is India. It is approx 7 to 8%, and the youth unemployment rate, the age youth unemployment rate, which is 17% in India, which, and the age groups are 15 to 29. Then the next one is urban unemployment and the rural unemployment. Urban unemployment is at 17.9%, and the rural unemployment is of 13.7%. Now, as we have been facing, so government has launched and introduced some of the policies where, and we can policies and schemes to reduce the unemployment, and we can see it. That is, first one is rural unemployment guarantee. Then the second one is vocational training, which is the Skill India mission, and the third one is promoting entrepreneurship, like it is in Startup India. Then the fourth one is self-employment generation, and the last one is jobs in the digital sector. These are some of the schemes which have been reducing the unemployment in India. Now, if there is a problem, so there should be a solution of it. Now, what can be the solution of it? That is that we can improve education, and we can improve education, and we can develop the skills, so from which we will not be able to face the unemployment in our country. Then the next one is encouraging the self-employment and startup. When we are self-employed, we are more we will reduce the unemployment in country. Then the third one is that investing in rural development. We have been focusing on the urban development, but we are not focusing on the rural development. That's why it has and this is one of the reason of unemployment. So invest in rural development. Now the next one is support small and medium enterprises. When we are going to support small and medium enterprises, so we are going to reduce the unemployment. Now the last one is that promote labor and incentive industry, so that we will not be facing that problem again. Now, what can be the conclusion of it? That we have been facing it, and we have taken it as a challenge and as an impossible task. But it can be we can overcome from it, and also if we provide the better education with the support of government, and with the support of citizens, and if we innovate something, so that can create a massive change in reducing the unemployment. And we can, with the help of everyone, with the help of society, government, and with the help of citizens, we can create a massive change in this sector. In the last, I only want to say that if we are facing it, so we have to find the solution. We don't have to just sit and we don't have to really create more problem for it. So that's it from my side. Thank you guys.
It was nice listening to Pinky. Even she spoke it well. She prepared it well. She came with the stuff and she delivered it in a beautiful way. But somehow I would recommend you to be more confident and authoritative about the content whatever you have placed right there. And you should have asked even some of the questions to them. कुछ questions होने चाहिए थे, थोड़ा सा interactive होना चाहिए था. It was quite simple and plain from one sided only. So if would have been kind of interactive तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आया होता. थोड़े से questions आने चाहिए थे, कुछ engaging सा होना चाहिए था, थोड़ा सा ना engagement was missing there. Rest of the things were good. Thank you so much. Next guys, who would like to be the next?